Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah. What I say? Alright, we finally reached, and we're gonna go and explore the environment, and we got to show now how Canada country wide state. You see? We don't know about the states. A Central Park alone them say look like this. But yeah, beautiful environment. You scared? Woo. Welcome to Canada. Look at the green, man. I'm going to show you how Canada stay. And you're going to wonder if we do get snow in a desert.
No, I would not.
I'm Ryan.
And yourself? I forgot. ASA.
Yeah. And there's a canoe. We're going to go take a little canoe ride later. Alright, me and my friends. Alright. Dog gonna go catch a fish or something. On a hot day, this is a great spot to be. Look at the environment, man. Look at nature. Chilling with Mother Nature. Yeah, in Canada. Yes, I am. What me say? Yeah. What me say? Up there, up there, up there. With your help, up there, we will be going. Yeah, man, me I look back, I don't want to jump in this pretty water, because the water look like you can drink, not true? Yeah, man. But nobody not drink the water, you see it? Yeah, man, you see all the people them over there, so I watch me, I watch them, I watch me. Give thanks and praise, you see it? Me I tell you, this is a beauty spot. Yes, I this, yo, this is where me make my fire up. Sit down right there, so. Make a fire. Yeah, man. And go and roast marshmallow. No, I'm not roast marshmallow, I'm roast potato. Straight potato from Jamaica. You hold on, let me show you the fireplace properly. Yeah, man, see the fireplace there. Yes, I. Right, that's how we do it. Yes, I. So right now we're in Aurora. Yeah, Aurora, Canada. You see it, Ontario. Enough little piece of lake all over the place. And this is one of them. Yeah. Yeah, man, see people sit down over there, so. That's where people come from. Enough people up there. Yeah, man. So, we are going to look for that thing. Yes, money I them come. I go check out a little piece of place over here, so. Yeah, man. Right? Up. Yeah, I go show no outhouse. Yes, outside tiling. Pit tiling. There. Ooh, look on the river. No, on the river, lake. Water is cold. But when it's hot there, man. Imagine this beautiful lake we're looking at, and in the winter time, this lake actually is freeze over. You could actually go skating on it. Yes, people them go tonight and make a hole on the ice fish. I wouldn't do that part, honestly. The skating thing and them thing there, yeah. But if them put some water in a little environment and land and fill it up Me will skate this, but pan this, so me nah go out this, so no. Them say Careful, say too scary. But you don't know things set already. My bad luck, me go out there and go drop in the water. You see it. But you don't know things set already. People, yeah man, it's a beautiful environment. Yeah. Yes, we're gonna go canoeing on it soon. What? May I tell us the property are pretty, the place, pretty. I don't know why, as I say, I love the greenery. Anything green, bring it to your face. Nah, smoke it. I got enjoy looking at it, observing it. Yeah man, that's what I gotta do. You see, the place is a beautiful place. These are the kind of place you want us come chill, sit down and enjoy it, and full enjoy it. Yes I. People use them. Yes man. If you have to go do number 2, you have to go to the pit toilet. And I say there. I bush ya. Yeah man, nobody now no flush toilet. Go yeah. Jamaica, Caribbean, guess what? You know what that is? Eh? It look good, not sure. But see all the roof there. I mash up and thing, but tell me what that is. That's a outhouse. This is where you'd come to do your number 2. Right in your saw. Yes, I. Yeah, man. You believe that? Eh? Outhouse in Canada. Outhouse in Canada. That may I call a video here, you know. Outhouse in Canada. Yes, I. Look on this, sir. This is where you come to do what? Alright. Them say you can't do it in the bush. So yeah man, we leave the outhouse now and we are going back to where everybody is. We are going to join the crowd again. And later on we are going to see what we can do. Go to some little more looking at the place. Alright? Yeah man, this is the environment away from the city life and the noise and you know what I mean? This is where you come to relax, Mr. Man, when you want to take a vacation. If we not go up on the islands, we are go up in the north. Yeah, up on the north star where the place is beautiful. Me say the place is pretty. Yes, family. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. I for sure no. You know. Wonderful little environment. Come on, them a place they don't want to leave, you know. So what I'm doing is trying to show you some of it so you can get it for yourself. So you see, boy, we in a place and the place on a concrete floor ground, you know. Look on the look, we are showing the road. Look on the road. Look on the road. A dirt road. See car park up there, so I'm going to show a little piece of car. I don't want to show it. See, they don't see car. Alright, yeah. A dirt road. I'm talk about Jamaica Rocky Road. A dirt road. But one thing I have to say, the road's kind of... You can zoom on it. Now one lane. No 2 cars can drive on them lane. Yeah. Yes, I. It's all kind of wood in the bush and all kind of thing. The place pretty, family. Yeah man, I say the place pretty. When I say pretty, the place pretty. What a sight and a half. Trust me, I live up here so. Yeah man. Right now them say Careful, would you live up here? I'm like, yeah man. And this property, yeah man. Do you have one like this? I can live on, yeah man. Yeah, what me say? Yeah man. Yeah. Place, pretty place. When you see a place like this, you have a full joy, man. Yes, it remind me of Jamaica. I'm not telling a lie. Without the mountains. You see it, I don't see no mountain, I don't climb up no mountain, no whole heap of rock stone, I there. But trust me. Them places more look like, I think, Westmoreland. Yeah, down on the flatland. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, you see me? Give thanks and praise to the energy of life. Alright? When I go see some canoe, you see the canoe them? Alright, and them thing there. We are go in a later. You see it, I hope you can swim. Who can swim, I go John. Big up on yourself, star. Alright, we are go back into the crowd, so we are going to big up on yourself again and big up.
Hi.
He can't see you.
He can definitely see me, yeah.
Alright, so thank you for like the video, thank you for watch this video. Yes, we just coming out of Aurora. We reach Aurora, this is the end of the video. You know, see the place, you know, see the look. It's a very, very green environment. And respect, you know, for watching the video. And respect my fans, them and my 4 likers gonna like this for sure. I know for sure say, when, as them are gonna love it, them are gonna like it. Yes, there are people, them, we can big them up still, but you know what I mean? We need the subscribers to come. We need more of the subscribers. More. So bring them on. Send on them. Send them to it. Care for your CVP. Yeah. What me say?
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.